Hello students. So today we need to learn some new functions like if NA, if not applicable, then if error and is error. So here we can see some list subject ID and name. So subject ID are there, then corresponding subject names are also there. So we already know how we can display those names, subject name uh, corresponding to this subject ID. So here we need to use VLOOKUP, yeah, equal to VLOOKUP. Then this is our lookup value. Then you need to select the group of cells. So these are our group of cells. Like the cell once again equal to VLOOKUP. Then this lookup value, comma, table array. You can make it absolute. Then column index is 2, comma, exact value 0. So S1010 means, yeah, it's math. But if I drag this, what happens? It will display not applicable, not applicable. So if you want to remove this message, then we can use if NA, if not applicable. So here I need to make like this, change like this. If NA, the front beginning. So this is our value. So if this value is NA, then what we need to do? We need to display nothing here. So just put just blank, nothing. Look. Then if I drag this here, math display. Why? Because already the value is there. It's not applicable, so it will display. But if I drag, you can see NA is not there. Look. So that's the use of if NA. It removes. If the result is NA, then it will display the message which we specify here. For example, if I just type sorry like this, it will display that message. Look, okay. So here we can also use simple if also for this. For example, we already know there is VLOOKUP, yeah. So I am going to copy this VLOOKUP here. Equal to. And when I drag, you can see, yeah, not applicable. So I can also write like this. Look, if we can also use if, simple if this equal to that cell. Because why in not applicable? Because there are no data in subject ID in these columns. That's why NA here. So if I write condition like this, if E7 equal to null, this is null, then it will display nothing. Otherwise, we can find the corresponding subject name. Okay, bracket close for if, and then if I drag, you can see, look, it's working. So we can also use if. But if I write something, for example, sorry, or please enter subject ID, that's a message like that. So you can see, please enter subject ID. So and then drag, you can see please underscore study. You can see that message. So here we can use IFNA. So IFNA means if not applicable, applicable. If not applicable, we look up. So this is our value. If this value returns not applicable, then it will display this message. Otherwise, it will display the corresponding data. Here, in this case, if E7, this subject ID, if it is blank, then it will display some message. So you can put null also. Otherwise, it will find what the corresponding subject name. Then if error, here you can see here there is no error. So if when error comes, if I put 0 division, I am performing division here. Look. L5 divided by L6. This is L5, this is L6. So if denominator is 0, then error, yeah. There's no value for that. So if error comes like this, then it will display. If otherwise what happened, you can see result like this. Division error. This is a type of error. So if you want to remove this message, you can use this. If error comes, then it display this. Otherwise, we can specify. Sorry, like that. Okay. To display that message. Otherwise, it will display null. So this is for error. So ISERROR means you can see here. If error comes, it returns true. That is ISERROR. If there is no error, then false. That is ISERROR. Why this is true? Because L5 divided by L6. This is L5, this is L6. So L6 here it is 0, though denominator is 0. So it's an error, division error. So if error comes like this, then it will display, it will return true value. And 2, what happened? Okay, fine, no problem. You can see 4 here and here. Here also 4. And also here. Look, 4 here, 4 here. This is false. Why? Because this is not false. That's why it returns false. If this is false, if it returns false message, error message, then this will become true. That's the difference between IFERROR and ISERROR. Okay. Thank you.